What's up everybody, it's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears, the YouTube channel about everything automotive, and today we're going to do another truck mod on my Ford F-150. We're going to install the EGR rear cab spoiler. I'm going to take you through the process step by step, showing everything that you need to get it done correctly. Obviously the first step is wiping it down, and then we're going to clean it with some isopropyl alcohol. So while I'm doing that, watch the intro, stick around, and we'll be right back. So before we even get started, three very important things. One, I want to give a shout out to my third gear member, Ryan. Thank you for your support. And if you'd like to become a member of the channel as well, beyond a subscriber, there's a join button right below. You can click on that and read through all the benefits each tier that I offer has. Some have free shirts, some have free sweatshirts, things like that. So check that out. The other two important things have to do with this installation itself. One, it's got to be over 60 degrees Fahrenheit to do this installation. Anything colder than that, you risk the adhesive not setting up correctly. It could slide, it could move. So 60 degrees or higher Fahrenheit outside for this installation. Number two is you cannot move the vehicle for 4 hours after your installation is complete. Even starting the car, the vibration from the motor could make it wiggle and slide if the adhesive is not set up yet. So no moving the car for 4 hours. With that, let's see what you get inside the box. You're going to get the spoiler itself and the adhesive and the nozzle that goes on the adhesive. It's got the 3M adhesive tape. You can see the red, which will peel off, and then there's a channel right there, which is where the adhesive goes in the channel, and then that sticks to the truck. Cool. I don't know if it's fiberglass or foam. It's some kind of a injection molded piece. It's super light, but it's really cool looking, and it's gonna look amazing on the truck. Here's everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need the cleaner and the isopropyl alcohol to clean the back of the cab so you get good adhesion, which you already saw me do before the intro. You're gonna need a caulking gun to apply the adhesive. You're gonna need some painter's tape, your knife to cut the nozzle, and then, of course, a pencil. So let's get to it. The first thing you're gonna do is dry fit it to the truck. You wanna make sure that the distance between this end and that plastic cap on the truck is equal on both sides, and it is close. And you also wanna check the gap between the third brake light and around the wing itself to make sure it's equidistant all the way around. So with the spoiler in place, you're gonna put a piece of tape on the truck up against the spoiler, like so. And then you're gonna put another piece of tape on the spoiler, like so. Then you're gonna take your pencil and you're gonna draw a line on that tape and on the corresponding tape on the truck. And you're gonna do that on all three pieces of tape. So you know the spoiler goes right back in the same spot. And now you're ready to put the adhesive on. I'm just gonna take the rag I used to clean the truck off with, just kind of clean that channel all across. Okay, then we're going to use your knife, and you're just going to pick the corner of the red up about 2 inches. Take a piece of tape, and you're just going to fold it over to the outside, so you have access to it later. We're going to do that on both sides. So now you're going to peel the back off the tube. You're gonna take your pencil, poke a hole, and then you can throw that pencil away. Put your cap on. Take your knife, and you're gonna just cut the tip off. Load up your adhesive gun. Then you're gonna put a generous bead of adhesive in that channel. So once you get the adhesive on, which was a super pain in the ass, kind of wants to move around on you. But now that that's set, let's put it on the truck and show you how to peel the tape off. And just like I said earlier, you're gonna line it up to where the pencil marks meet. And then you're just gonna bring it down. And double check the gaps in there. Oh, and the distance again, there. To the distance again, there. Looks really good.
Hey there.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So now you're gonna take your tape and gently pull the 3M tape out. Pull your tape out and let the 3M adhere it to the truck. So just keep pressing it. Make sure you have all your spots touching. But try not to slide it around. Gap looks good. You can peel your tape off. And that's really it. I did lose a camera during this process. It's a little breezy. Camera fell off the truck. Doesn't look so good, but that's really it. Just remember, it's got to be at least 60 degrees outside for you to even start this mod. And you cannot move the truck for 4 hours. Those are the most important things. Other than that, thanks for watching. Catch you next time on Bangin.